Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be creating our first program in C++. First, let's open up CodeBlocks, the IDE we installed in our previous session. Start by clicking Create a new project or navigate to File, New Project. Choose Console Application, click Go, then select C++ and proceed by clicking Next. We'll need to name our project. I'll call mine Hello World. Choose a location to save your project, click Next, and then Finish. You should now see the Hello World project in your workspace. In the Sources folder, you'll find a file named main.cpp. Open this file and clear its contents. We'll write our code from scratch. Every C++ source file uses the .cpp extension, just like C files use .c. Next, we need to include some header or library files in our program. These files contain pre-written code that we can use to simplify our programming tasks. To include a file, we use a preprocessor directive called #include. This directive tells the compiler to include the specified file before actual compilation begins. So, let's write #include iostream. The iostream header allows us to use objects like cin, cout for input and output operations. Unlike in C, where header files have extensions, C++ headers like iostream do not require them. We also need to specify the namespace we are using. Namespaces help organize code and prevent name conflicts. We'll use the standard namespace by writing using namespace std. A function is a set of statements that performs a specific task. The main function must return an integer, hence int. The function's name is main, and it takes no arguments here. And also, dear beginners, don't worry if you do not understand namespaces and functions. I'll describe all of them in my upcoming lessons. Here, within the curly braces, we'll write the statements we want to execute. To print something on the screen, we'll use cout like this. Cout hello world. This line will print hello world to the console. Remember to end the statement with a semicolon. Finally, we'll return a value from the main function using the return statement. Returning 0 indicates successful execution. Return 0. Save your file, then go to Build and Run. A console window should appear, showing Hello World. The message, Process returned 0, confirms successful execution. If you are using another IDE, like Dev C++, you might need to include cstdlib and add system, pause, dot before the return 0 line to keep the console window open. #include cstdlib. System, pause. Now, we have written our first program in C++. I hope this tutorial has been useful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials like this, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and share it with your friends who are also learning C++. Your support really helps me keep creating more content for you all. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!